Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a multisig transfer on SafeSnap. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize a multisig transfer on SafeSnap, begin by logging into your SafeSnap account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll see your active multisig wallets. Select the wallet you want to authorize a transfer from. Once inside the wallet, look for the Pending Transactions section. Here, you will see any transactions awaiting your approval. Click on the specific transaction you wish to authorize. A detailed view of the transaction will appear on your screen. Review all transaction details carefully, including the amount and recipient address. If everything looks correct, locate the Authorize button. Click on the Authorize button to initiate the approval process. You may be prompted to confirm your identity via your preferred authentication method. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this authentication. Once authorized, the transaction will be marked as approved in the dashboard. You will now need to wait for the other signers to authorize the transaction. Once all required approvals are collected, the transaction will be executed. Keep an eye on the transaction status to ensure everything is processed smoothly. After execution, you can view the finalized transaction in the transaction history. This concludes the process for authorizing a multisig transfer on SafeSnap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.